Vishwa. I am going to do a science experiment of baking soda and vinegar. These two are two different things which we use in our daily lives. If we combine these two, we don't know what will come. Let's see. First, I am going to add a baking soda. Baking soda contains sodium bicarbonate and it's fully made up of sodium bicarbonate. Its chemical formula is NaHCO3. And I am going to add hot water to enhance it to look it more like a volcano. And I'm gonna add a poster color. And I'm gonna add shampoo.
What is that?
Shampoo.
Shampoo.
And at last I'm going to add some vinegar.
What's this?
Vinegar.
Vinegar. Super. Nice.
And this baking soda I said before, and this is vinegar. Vinegar is acetic acid, CH3COOH. When we add these two, we get carbon dioxide water and this strange thing. It is called sodium acetate. CH3COONA. When sodium acetate is mixed with carbon dioxide with water, bubbles will come and it will like
Yes.
fizz out of it.
Freeze out.
Thank you.
Super.